we are, together with government units, as auxiliary to the humanitarian services of our government. We already deployed 250 staff, disaster management staff in the field, and another 28 psychosocial support staff in the affected area as well. We are conducting services in the different sectors, such as mass feeding and psychosocial services and the health.
Khan, what is the main focus for authorities and the charities at this point?
Of course, still search and rescue operations are being conducted on the ground. And what is complementary to this is to provision of the basic relief items to the people in need and the mass feeding services. Because as you know, people are sheltered in collective centers, such as hospice and the schools. And also tents are started to be erected in some places. And people are being sheltered there, and we are providing, together with other governmental units, basic shelter items.